Hey, what's up guys, it's Shady Light here, and today I'm going to be showing you a really simple thing on how you can zoom in and zoom out your clips on iMovie. So if you watch this video, your videos will go from looking something like this to something like this. Okay, so for you to actually do this, you've got to actually head over to that square icon, it's called the cropping icon, and go to Ken Burns. And once you're in Ken Burns, you've got these two boxes which control the zoom in and zoom out. The end box controls where is the part of the clip that's going to be at the end of the clip, and the start box is going to be your clip in the beginning. So if we take the end box right there, and if we play it, it looks kind of like that, right? Next, you can also switch the start box for the end box by clicking on the reverse or switch icon. So I'm just going to place that there and click on the reverse icon, and now it looks different. It zooms into the tree instead of out of the tree. You can also zoom in and zoom out from a specific device, or when a person's gonna say something serious, or any use like that. Hope you use this tip creatively. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you found this tutorial helpful. That's been it.